Alright guys, so here's it's gonna be the box in the trunk, you know, the subs we button down. Then we're gonna take that step up that's in the trunk, and we're gonna get aerial ports coming up through the rear lid. My buddy Mike at Custom Tints right here. Got the run. This is what we got so far. It's gonna be step up here where the aerial ports are, the step down, and a slant across here. But I'll try and check in as much as I can. I'm going to be leaving here in a little bit and let Mike do his thing, so I'm not going to be filming all that much, but there's that, you know, nice little shop right here. We got the window tinting out there and shit, so can't really get out there, but yeah, let you guys see one more little look at that, so should be good.
Up out that motherfucking coffin. Thought I was gone, but I'm fresh up out that motherfucking office. Big boss money, now I'm starting, bitch, I'm flossing. Camaro paint wetter than a motherfucking dolphin. And I'm coughing cause I'm sick. For real, motherfucker, I'm ill. Got a couple labels trying to get at me, talking deals, but I'm on my own shit. Quick shout out, yeah, that's my clip. 50 frame, 50 frame, 50 frame. We the shit, and my bitch so crazy like a circus. She a freaking on my ass.